Hello children, hi, this is Farheen Miss. Today we are going to learn subject maths. Let's measure length. So children, today we are going to learn to measure length. What does length means? Length means how long is something. For example, table, door, book, cupboard, etc. There are many instruments to measure length. Instrument used to measure length. Ancient instruments, footspan, handspan, arm length, rope are non-standard units. Modern instruments, ruler, measuring tape, screw gauge, vernier, caliper are all called standard units. Handspan is from distance between from your thumb to your little finger on your outstretched hand is called a handspan. Footspan, distance between the ankle of your foot to your tip of your toe is a footspan. Now come to page number 58 of your mathematics textbook. Let's measure. Yash wants a study table in his room. With a stick, he measured the length of the wall where the table was to be placed. It was 4 sticks and a little more. Yash went to the shop to select the largest possible table. He saw several tables there. He used the same stick as before to measure the tables. Observe the picture and decide which table Yash would choose. Color the box under the selected table. So this in the picture you can see this is Yash's room. Now he measured the length of the wall with a stick. So you can see there are 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he went to the shop to buy table. There were several tables. Small, okay, then bigger than that, okay, 4 stick bigger table, 5 stick. Now he used the same sticks to measure the table. Now 2 sticks was too small. 3 sticks also small table. But 4 stick was perfect table. So he chose 4 sticks table. Okay, so you have to color this box. Why do you think Yash did not choose the table that measure 5 stick? Why he did not choose the 5 stick table? So if he would have choose this 5 sticks table, the table will not fit in his room. It will be bigger. Okay. That is why he did not choose 5 sticks table. Now come to page number 59 of your maths textbook. Rama wants to make flower garlands for her classroom door and the school gate. She bought a thick thread and used it to measure the width of the door and the school gate. Keeping 2 handspans extra at each end of each garland, she cut the thread. Why do you think she kept extra lengths of the thread? Now in this picture, Rama is making a flower garland for her classroom door and the school gate. So she measured the width of the door by using handspan. Okay, and 2 handspan extra at each end she kept and cut the thread. Okay, so in this, why do you think she must have kept extra lengths of the dough? Why she would have used extra? So that she can tie this. Okay, if she would have used 5 width length of a thread, so she could not tie it properly, and it's also should be looking hanging. Okay, that is why she kept at each end 2 handspan extra. Now look some example. Anita has made a garland for her house door. Its width is 5 handspan wide. She kept 2 handspan each on the end of the thread. Okay, now this is the Anita and the door which she is making a garland of a house. Now she has measured the width of her door. It is 5 handspan wide. Okay, it is 5 handspan wide. She kept 2 handspan at each end. Therefore, she used how many wide thread? 9 handspan wide thread for her house door. So children, you also try and find out the length of the thread. Okay, you will need to make garlands for your classroom door and the school gate, but unfortunately you are not coming to school, so you are going to you are going to find out the length of your house door. Okay, go to a construction site with your teacher or parent and observe how measurements are taken and what devices are used for that purpose. Thread used to make garlands for the school gate is 2 times more handspan wider than the door. So number of handspan will be greater than that of door. Therefore, more thread will be used to make garlands for school gate. Now this is the school gate and this is the classroom door. So for the classroom door, thread required, the length of the thread will be less than that of school gate. So try children making garland for your house door and find out the length of the thread which was required, okay, to make the garland. We are going to find out the length of the thread, how many handspan wide it was. Now come to page number 7 of your maths reliable workbook. Book number is 4. Show 2 ropes to the student. Ask them to identify the shortest and the longest rope. Now you can see the picture. Which is the shortest one? This. And the longest rope is second one. Now here you are going to use handspan and footspan to measure these objects. Measure these objects in your classroom using handspan, footspan. A student's desk is dash handspan wide. So how much? It is 6 handspan wide. You have to go through all the videos which I have been put. So desk, teacher's desk, door, blackboard, classroom, window frame, all the videos I have shot. Okay, so you can view it, and all the handspan wide which is used, taken my handspan to measure the objects. A teacher's desk is 7 handspan wide. Door is 4 footspans wide. Blackboard is 11 handspans long. Classroom. Your classroom is 31 footspans wide. Window frame is 13 handspans wide. Now this is the same which we have done in our maths textbook. You have to take measurement of the desk, student's desk, from your handspan with your thumb and your small finger. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is little space is there. You will count 6. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Going to count your classroom length, foot span wide. How much foot span wide it is? 1, 2 like this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now you are going to reach this wall. 28, 29, 30, 31. This is 31. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now come to page number 8. Third question. You can use various other objects to measure different things. You can see the pencil. The pencil is as long as how many matchsticks long? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this pencil is as long as 6 matchsticks. Spoon. The spoon is as long as 2 chalks. blackboard. The blackboard is about dash dusters long. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're going to write the number. The carom board is about how many spoons long, children? You have to write this. This pencil is 3 crayons long. 1, 2 and 3. Come to page number 9. Look at the pictures above and color the correct number of bricks to show length of each object. Now on the bed there are bricks kept. So you have to count the number of bricks to show the length of that object. So how many bricks long this bed is? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The table is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sofa 1, 2, 3, 4. So the table which we have count is 6 bricks long. Bed is 7 bricks long. So that many bricks you have to color it with the brown color. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bricks you are going to color with brown color. Same way goes to with both the objects. Find out the length of the thread you will need to make garlands for your classroom door and the school gate. So, meanwhile, I have shot the video for the classroom door and I find out the length which was 5 handspan wide, and I kept 2 handspan each at both the ends. So it was 9. Okay, 9 handspan wide thread was used. Same thread required for school gate, it is 2 times more. Okay, so that is 14. Activity. Children, you are going to do this activity in your house, measuring the objects. Measure these objects in your house using handspan, footspan. A door is how much footspan wide? A window is how much handspan wide? TV is how much handspan wide? Your room is how much footspan wide? A door is how much handspan wide? So measure it and write the numbers how much footspan wide your door is. So all this object you need to measure and write the number. Children, body parts should not be used to measure any length of an object. It can give you inaccurate measurement, inaccurate number. In the first picture, this door is similar. But in the first picture, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 footspan wide. But in the second, 1, 2, 3, 4. The door is 4 footspan wide. That is why we need to use standard units to measure the length of any object. Thank you. So my dear children and all the viewers, I hope you understand my way of explaining this lesson. If it was helpful for you, so please don't forget to do the following things: like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel Farheen Miss, comment below your views for further update. For further videos, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.